Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add transitions in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps. I do it to not make any mistakes. So as you can see, I have two videos on my timeline. I created a new project. So what if I need to make the transition between them look more beautiful? So I think it will be easy because the CapCut has this option to add some transitions. So to add the transition, all we need is just to go to left top menu right up here and then just choose transition in the top of the window. So after that we have a lot of them, so we can just click on this toggle icon to open all, and as you can see we have like overlay, camera, blur, basic, light, glitch. There are a lot of different transitions, so let's try to use glitch transition. All we need is just to find the suitable one. I will just download this one, and then we need to click and then just scroll down right up here. So now our transition looks like this. Now it looks much more beautiful, but what can we do with our transition? Of course we can change the duration, so we need to find it on our timeline, click on it, and then just click and change the duration here, or in this menu to change the duration. So now we can just click on it right up here. So basically now it looks like this. Basically that's all. So we can just delete this transition and try to use another one. For example, let's try to use this one. It looks a little bit funny. So all I suggest is just to try to play with it, try to find the necessary transitions for your situation, for your video, because some of them may look interesting, may look not that good for your choice. So all you need is just to try. So basically that's all. Hope this video helped you out. Wish you a very good day and goodbye guys.